What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. In this video, I want to answer the question, should you continue to hold your Bitcoin or should you sell right now and take some profits while Bitcoin is pretty high? Right now, we are trading at $9,370, and when I got into cryptocurrency of December last year, 2016, Bitcoin was only $800, right? I didn't see Bitcoin being $10,000 a year later. It hasn't even been a year I've been in cryptocurrency, and the Bitcoin price is already up about 1,200%. This year alone, it's up about 1,000, I believe 900 or 1,000%, and that's pretty incredible. We haven't seen a asset or a property go up this much, and this really is stealing the spotlight. I feel like everyone's talking about Bitcoin right now. It is the hot thing, and that's where the most money is at. You know what I mean? The cryptocurrency market continues to grow. Bitcoin trading at $9,300, and the overall market cap is $292 billion. It is now worth more than $250 billion. And when I compare something like cryptocurrency and the entire market cap to something like gold, which is currently worth $7 trillion. It has been for quite a while. Gold has definitely been consolidating on the more long-term standpoint. I do think cryptocurrency offers a bigger opportunity for the younger generation. A lot of the older people don't really get it, and I don't think they ever will be investors into cryptocurrency. They're always going to stick to their mutual funds, their stocks, their classic old stuff, gold, commodities. And then there's Bitcoin for the younger generation, which is creating more and more millionaires by the day. Hopefully it will create, hopefully I will be one here soon. But basically, Bitcoin in 2020 is going to have a halvening, okay? A halvening is where the amount of Bitcoin produced in every block, which is where all the transactions are, okay, is going to be cut in half. So right now, the miner reward is about 12.5 Bitcoin, and that's going to be cut in half to 6 Bitcoin. As we all know, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins. The current circulating supply is 16.7 million, And I think when we get around to that time, Bitcoin 2020, we're going to see a point where a lot of these exchanges don't even have a big enough reserve, okay, for the amount of Bitcoins that's going to be in circulation. And I do think that the demand for each Bitcoin will continue to get higher and higher. And the fact that we have two forks here, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold, technically each Bitcoin is worth over $10,000 right now if you've been holding it for quite a while, because you can export your private keys and get these coins for free. So technically, Bitcoin has a very larger value than we all think. Right now, the market, the volume within the last 24 hours is $5.4 billion. I remember when obviously at one point the entire market cap alone of Bitcoin was $5.4 billion. Okay, so we're getting to a point where we're just seeing exponential growth. The market cap is growing just so fast, and this was a pattern that I was looking at here within the last few days. We saw this just ascending wedge pattern, and of course it broke bullish. We saw some consolidation here around the $8,200 range, and then we broke bullish. Now we are seeing a huge, not really a huge upper wick here, but let's go to the one-day chart. We are seeing a upper wick of profit taking, meaning that people are selling some Bitcoin here to lock in some profits. We did pull back to, I believe, $9,200, I think, maybe $9,140. Yes, we did pull back to $9,165 here. So I do expect some consolidation here on the short term due to the fact that we have run up here so much. As you can see, multiple points of contact here, and we eventually broke bullish. But I do expect some consolidation, and then somewhere in early 2018, I expect us to go to maybe $10,000 to $13,000, and then maybe, just maybe, we'll see a more larger, long-term standpoint, a more, longer-term pullback, maybe into a bear market, because so many people are winning right now in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's incredible. When we look at some other altcoins such as Litecoin, let's go to the 1 week chart. As you can see, just incredible growth here in Litecoin, Ethereum, same exact chart. Recently set an all-time high for Ethereum. But if you take a look at Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, there's one thing they have all in common. Their RSI is very overextended, especially Bitcoin. If I was to pick a name here out of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, I would bet on Bitcoin pulling back first, due to the fact that RSI it's been in this overbought range here for quite a while on the weekly term standpoint. Litecoin, we're now just entering overbought, okay? So I think Litecoin is definitely going to see an all-time high of over $100 within probably in the next few weeks. Ethereum, it's in blue sky breakout. The RSI is not as oversold as it was back here when it set its original all-time high. So in my opinion, there is tons of room for Ethereum to continue to run here in the more long-term standpoint on the weekly. I do think we are still in blue sky breakout. The all-time high is only, $20, $30 away, which can easily happen. That's only a few percentage points away, maybe 5%. So all it takes is one little move, and Ethereum's in blue sky breakout again. We're probably going to go over $500. But overall, should you sell your Bitcoin or continue to hold it? Bitcoin has gone up crazy, crazy amounts. If you're even thinking about selling, this is what I have to say. Sell maybe 5% of your position and just cash it out. Don't look for a re-entry. Just cash it out into your bank account if you're looking to sell. If you have to sell, if that's what you want to do, if you're even thinking about it, cash out 5%, sell it off, get that satisfaction of selling and locking in some profits. But overall, continue to hold your long-term position, okay? Bitcoin will continue to go up, I guarantee it, simply because of its factors and its world mass adoption. It only makes sense for it to go up. It's not like it's gold where, there's not many use factors. It really is just a store of value. Bitcoin, you can spend it. It's helping so many countries get out of, their inflationary currency in Venezuela. There's a lot of countries where Bitcoin is truly being used. Here in the States, there's not many places where you can buy stuff with it in stores. But the other day, I used Bitcoin, on Amazon, an Amazon replicate site called Purse, where you can buy anything with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency off Amazon. I bought some stuff off Overstock. I bought some new furniture. To be honest, I spend all my money if I need to buy something with cryptocurrency. I don't really use US dollars for anything anymore, unless it's cash in stores to buy something or something like that, which I don't really do. But due to the factors and just the fundamentals of Bitcoin, I say continue to hold your Bitcoin. It keeps doing this stair-stepping pattern. Will Bitcoin go down? Yes, it will. Bitcoin is due for a correction sometime within the next few weeks. But it's definitely interesting to see if it will test $10,000 here in the short term. That's definitely something to look out for. So, I'm holding Bitcoin for the long term. My goal is to get to 100 Bitcoin. Right now, I'm holding a ton of Bitcoin and Litecoin. Those are the two coins where I have a large position in. But we'll see. My goal is 100 Bitcoin. So if I need to, send my Litecoin over to Bitcoin if I have the opportunity, I will do so. So overall, still bullish on Bitcoin even at these current prices. Like I said, cash them out if you're thinking about it, but don't cash out all of it. Okay, that's all I have to say. Expect for some short-term consolidation, and hopefully we'll gear up for 10,000 because the bulls have done a lot of work to break through, 9,000, 9,500. The bulls have done a lot of work, so we need some consolidation, and then we'll do our final push to $10,000, which will be very interesting to see. So, with that said, let's check out BitConnect here. Let's check out my total earned. I have $110,000 invested into BitConnect, $593,000 earned. BitConnect is going awesome, guys. The daily interest I get from this amount invested is awesome. I'm also going to be giving away $100 in today's video. I do a giveaway every single day of $100. All you have to do is like the video, be subscribed, and turn on post notifications. Whenever I post a brand new video, you get notifications. Just click the bell next to the subscribe button. Quick mention here about my course. If you guys want to learn how I created a six-figure income through cryptocurrency, I make even more than this. I make multiple, six-figure incomes, per year. Me and Ryan create a course here. It's currently $497. If you have the money, I highly recommend it. You can simply click the link down below. You can check out all of our different modules here, all of our videos. There's about 35 videos with just hours and hours of content, which will teach you step by step how to create your own cryptocurrency income of six figures. So check that out if you're interested. With that said, let's give away $100 worth of Bitcoin. Let's pick a random winner. Every single day I do this giveaway, like I said, just giving back to the community. So our random winner is Bitcoin Chris. What do you think about the Deep Onion coin? I have absolutely no clue what that is. Let's see if it's even on the... Okay, it is on the market cap. Real quick, let me just copy your Bitcoin address here, and then I'll talk about it. Copy your address. Paste it right there. Just continue. Send Bitcoin. Congrats to him for winning $100 worth of Bitcoin. Thoughts on Deep Onion? Let's see. So, $1.40, up 4%. Wow, looks like there was a point here in August where it hit $5. This chart actually looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Its market cap is only $5 million. Some of you watching this video, you might have to check this out. Me personally, I don't really touch any of these, low market cap altcoins. There's too much risk for me. But low supply, which I like, only a circulating supply of 3 million coins. Let's check out their website. Anonymous. Okay, it's an anonymous coin, untraceable. Sent through the Tor network. I assume it's some dark web coin. But I really like this chart. If I was charting this, I would actually really like it. Low supply. Some of you might want to check this coin out. Maybe I should come back to this in a few weeks and see what the price is. So, very interesting there. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys have a good one. Hold your Bitcoin. Long-term thinking 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.